Hello guys, I cannot see my coming for Ugugu Mashego, girlfriend ka Ghost. I'm gonna be girlfriend yakhe or what. But Sima came for her today on Spreading Humors. She said this after there was a video that was trending on TikTok. Ya Gugu ekhuluma no Ghost. So this is the video, and then we'll continue with the rest.
Which country do you wanna go to?
We'll take Cape Town, so yeah, I'd like to go to Cape Town now.
Alright. Which country do you wanna go to?
Hi, after people bebonele video on TikTok, they had a lot to say. So we're just gonna go through some few comments before ngidlale ivideo yasima. Aye uthi lona how country Cape Town. Hey, cha phela siyazi ukuthi country akusi Cape Town, kodwa phela akushuthi ugeli wechaza ukuthi yena akafuni ukuya out of the country, ufuna ukuya eCape Town. Uthi omunye guys, she's 2006, she's young. I agree, she's so young. Nanokuthi phela abo bayikhulumela nje kosami nganakile yabo. Country wena sidididi cha ke urongi ke wena ukuthi ungabiza ingane yabantu ngesidididi. At least yona iyabuza ukuthi ufuna ukuya kiphi country. Mhlawumbe wena akwazi uye ngisho eCape Town or at Durban if maybe from Joburg, whatever. Maybe we've never left your province. Athi omunye, so Cape Town is now a country. I'm not laughing. Guys, I think this was a misunderstanding, but so tini people who always comment. Bawuhlezi nje abantu bana something abazoyisho, and I'm sure ukuthi labantu abakhomenta la ama fans kaSima kusobala nje. Omunye athi, nope guys, she's saying she wants to go to Cape Town instead of another country. Yabona ke lo ukhuluma exactly nami lento engayicabanga at the time ngibona le video le. I thought about the same thing ukuthi oh yabo exactly nje lebo le comment nje it's the same thing nami engayicabanga yafika ekhanda at the time ngibuka le video le. Angaze ngicabange ukuthi mhlawumbe ngoba akazi ukuthi i-country imehlo phakathi kwe-country ne-province. No, I don't think so. She doesn't look ngathi uyi-storm or anything like that. Futhi I don't believe it's khona umuntu we-storm. So yeah, omunye athi Gugu why mara ey abantu ke shembandla hayi basizakala ke basizakala abantu kanti nje Nkosi yami ingane yabantu yaze yasha. Nkosi yami asixoleleni nje. Nkosi yami ngane abantu ayiseyinhle. Siya understand ukuthi nama fans aSima, we like Sima this side also, but don't come for Gugu guys. It was just a conversation, and I like shuthi ayizokala ngendlela le ayizokala kahle inkulumo yabo. So yeah. Asas. And then the other one said it's a prank, she did this on purpose. I guess it's a sazi. Maybe not, we don't know. Singalokhu sikhomenta nje sikhulume simdefende or singamdefendi simbize ngani ekugcineni asazi ukuthi if it was a prank or not. Yabo. But laba abathi lo mbiza ngesidididi nje, I do not agree with that, because you can't call omunye umuntu ngesidididi. That's not fair. And then ke ama comment nje ayimaningi kakhulu nje, most yawo nje they were bad. So there was no need for me ukuthi ngize ngasho wonke. Omunye wathi kuthiwe country sibhanxa. Imagine uza ku social media uzobiza omunye umntana omhle kangaka ngesibhanxa. Okay, asiye ukuthi muhle, akekho umuntu odeserve ukubizwa ngesibhanxa. Isibhanxa nguwe Vimasina. How at least yena uyabuzwa, wena ukwazi ubuzwe. Okay guys, this is what Sima said on Spreading Humors.
Yeah, like there's dull, like umpucha or ish what or banana pula kana ka banana.
Yeah.
Hey,
Or what country do you want to go to? Cape Town.
my
goat.
like
My goat.
like ongisha mfetumor.
What country do you want to go to? Cape Town.
My
goat. Like my goat.
like ongisha mfetumor.
Hi again, Nizizwele Nan. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe.